Are you thinking about selling your home and you're worried that you won't be able to find a replacement home and you'll be homeless? Well, I have good news for you. There are so many solutions to selling your home and find a replacement home, even with limited inventory. I'm Kami Hall with KamiHallRealEstate.com, powered by TCRE. I've helped many sellers just like you over the past 6 years navigate through this and so many other obstacles and issues. The good news is that there are contingencies on your behalf that we can put in place to protect you from this. We can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon you finding the home of your choice within a certain time frame. So this way, we can secure a buyer for you on the sale of your home, and you don't have to sell your home if you don't find the home of your dreams. This is great because there is so much less stress for you, and you won't feel like you've got to choose a home that you really don't absolutely love. And the offer that you make on the replacement home will look much stronger because you've already got your home in escrow. So my point is, we've got solutions. I often try to think outside of the box to find solutions for your specific situation, and I wouldn't have you do anything I wouldn't do myself. Thankfully, we've got years of experience, so we know what to do and what not to do. We want selling to be fun and want you to enjoy the buying process without all the worry. There are so many things to consider and questions to ask. We cover all your bases in protecting you and your most valuable asset. So give me a call. Even if you're just curious or want to strategize scenarios, I'm more than happy to help. Looking forward to working with you. As always, I'm Kami Hall, making dreams reality one home at a time. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.